The daily COVID cases in India have crossed the 1 lakh mark for the first time ever since the pandemic began. India's reported 1,03,558 new COVID cases and 478 deaths in the past 24 hours itself, pushing the total tally to over 7.4 lakh cases. States have announced new measures to contain the spread of the virus. The Aam Aadmi Party government is planning to enforce stricter curbs in public places as the national capital reported as many as 4,033 fresh cases in 24 hours. Rising containment zones is becoming a matter of great concern for the authorities. The situation remains grim in NCR region. Several resident welfare associations have imposed strict restrictions on sporting activities. The authorities have also decided to control the crowds at malls, hotels and theatres in the Noida region. In addition to that, the UP government has decided to seal 20 households for every patient who has tested positive. Separate rules have been announced for multi-storied buildings. The state reported 4,164 fresh cases on Sunday. Meanwhile, Rajasthan government announced a night curfew from 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. In addition to that, classes will remain shut for students till 9th grade. The state reported 1,729 new cases in 24 hours.
There has been a huge spike in coronavirus cases in Rajasthan. As per the data released by the health department on Saturday, there were more than 600 cases of COVID-19, out of which 367 were from Jaipur alone and 195 cases were from Jodhpur. Rajasthan government has issued strict direction that if the COVID protocols of distancing and of wearing masks are not followed, then the shops or such commercial establishments should be sealed for 72 hours. But we are right now in the old city of Jaipur, where people maintain that it is quite difficult for them to follow the COVID protocols of maintaining the adequate distance. You see these shops which are in the nooks and crannies of Jaipur, and how people have been adhering or not adhering to the COVID protocols that the government has asked for is something which we have come over here to gauge. पर आप लोग यहाँ पर फॉलो कर रहे हैं क्या?
अब ये गैदरिंग तो थोड़ा बहुत तो हो रहा ही है सर, क्या करें। सामान लेने के लिए डिस्टेंस, अगर 2 मीटर डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करते तो आदमी बाहर चला जाएगा।
सर अब देखो, मेंटेन तो ये आदमी के सेल्फ पे बहुत कुछ डिपेंड करता है कि हर व्यक्ति ये सोच ले कि मुझे मेंटेन करना है। तो मान लो कोई पास में भी आ रहा है तो अपने स्वयं दूर हो गए उससे और 2 गज की दूरी को मेंटेन कर सकते हैं।
So clearly, these shopkeepers maintain that they had been trying to follow the protocol, but sometimes, as you can see, right now there are several people who have turned up for purchasing or for buying certain products, and that is why they maintain that it is quite difficult at times for them to follow the COVID protocol. With Nikhil Sharma, Devankur Vadhavan in Jaipur, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.